Okay, the guys are working on the front end of the car right now. We've already taken the hood off, we've taken the trunk lid off, they've already got the bumper off and the nose off. The idea now is to take the body off this chassis. We're going to brace it, we're going to weld it up, make sure that it doesn't twist on us, and we're going to see how bad the underneath is. Once it's off the chassis, we may have the chassis powder coated. We're not really sure yet. We're going to figure all that out as we go along. Just keep an eye on us and see how this thing turns out. Let's get back to it. Okay, they've gotten pretty far on this today. As you see, they've got the nose taken off. They've got all the wiring taken out of the front, the grill taken off. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the interior out. We're going to pull the body off of this. And then transmission, engine, get it out of here, get it ready for the new one. I'd say just keep an eye on it. Let's see how it goes along. And we'll be talking to some of the guys that are doing this as we go along with this thing. Well, stay tuned. We'll be right back.